Hello, my name is Mindy Asafoje, and I am from Baltimore Central Assembly Church of Pentecost. So I was very blessed to come to Sight and Sound again. This might be my third or fourth time coming here, and I'm always blessed to see the show. I was blessed to see the story of Moses as well touch my life, that God is always with us in all things.
Part of my church now.
Yes. I'm Moses anyway.
He's Moses.
Yes, I'm Moses.
They can meet you with Moses. Okay.
Yes, it was beautiful, man. It is beautiful. I'm enjoying myself. Thank you to Sight and Sound for this production. Man, it's amazing. I can't wait for the Christmas edition, November and December. And next year March is the Daniel. I'm coming. I hope to see you there. Thank you.